How to delete a Discord server. So you made a server, but now it's time to let it go? Whether it's inactive, messy, or just not needed anymore, I have got you covered. Here is exactly how to delete your Discord server, step by step. Launch the Discord app or open discord.com in your browser. Now, on the left hand side, click on the server icon of the one you want to delete. At the top left corner of the screen, click the server name. From the drop down, select Server Settings. You are now in the control room of your server. In the left hand menu, scroll all the way down and click Delete Server. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you are sure. Type your server name exactly as shown, then click Delete Server again. Important: only the server owner can delete the server. Admins or mods can't. Once deleted, it's gone for good, no recovery, so be 100% sure. And just like that, your Discord server is deleted. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.